is not uncommon to encounter situations where older buildings have electrical systems that do not comply with current codes. The most common issue is with voltage ratings, as 440-volt systems were once prevalent before the standardization of 480 volts. Article 110.4 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, clearly states that electrical equipment shall be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and shall be connected to a supply of the proper voltage. As the 440-volt equipment is no longer operated at its intended voltage, it is in violation of this code. Operating 440-volt equipment at 480 volts can lead to several safety concerns. Firstly, overheating. The high voltage can cause the equipment to run hotter than intended, increasing the risk of insulation breakdown, fires, and explosions. Secondly, premature failure. The increased voltage stress can shorten the lifespan of the equipment, leading to unexpected breakdowns. Thirdly, personal injury. Faults or malfunctions in the equipment can pose a direct safety hazard to personnel working nearby. The term grandfathering is often used to refer to the practice of allowing existing non-compliant installations to remain in place. However, this concept does not apply to electrical systems that pose a safety hazard. In this case, the 440-volt equipment is not grandfathered and must be brought into compliance. Recommended actions include: firstly, document the situation. Take detailed measurements and photographs of the voltage readings and equipment ratings. Secondly, notify the owner. Write a letter to the owner outlining your concerns, providing the evidence you have gathered. Thirdly, recommend corrective actions. Explain that the equipment does not comply with code and must be replaced or upgraded to 480-volt components. Fourthly, suggest a plan. Provide a timeline and cost estimate for the corrective actions, including any necessary rewiring or equipment replacement. Finally, cooperate with the facility engineer. Work with the facility engineer to develop a mutually acceptable solution that addresses both safety and economic concerns.